Is it a national realignment of political parties on the basis of citizenship, ladies and gentlemen? We will debate that, but first we're looking at this exclusive footage that's been released by the police, and we've accessed this footage, which shows a bike on fire. This is citizens around the Jamia protests in the national capital on CAA and NRC. Now, who is making it? And look what happens. This is the individual who's actually taking a bike on fire, and guess where he takes it? He's actually dragging it to a bus, which is a state-owned bus. He sets it under the bus. He sets it under the bus at the rear end where you have the fuel tank and the fuselage, and that's where the bus starts catching fire. Now, who are these people? Who are these people who are actually protesting in the name of student protests? Do they not look like students? If they do look like students, who are they? Which university, which college do they belong to? If they are not students, then have they been identified? Will those who are standing with them as students, will they also help identify who these people are? Why are their faces covered? Their hands, they are wearing gloves so that there are no fingerprints. Look at that. And then they are dragging it under a bus, setting it on fire. Then the next set of shots that have come through. These are stone pelters. This is stone pelting that is going on during the agitation and during the protest that we've got. We'll try and go across to Sahil Mengani for more details. But this is the footage. Look what they're doing. Look what they're doing. They're actually breaking down stones, and then they are throwing. They are using public property to throw it around. Who are these people? Who are these people? Their faces are there. They certainly are not students. Are they local residents? They are not even bothered about covering their faces and their identities. It is openly here. These are all people who claim that they have joined the protests, and they are all students. It was peaceful protests is what they say. Are these protests peaceful? Who is this lot? There you see, that was the bus that was set on fire. These are people who are throwing stones, and then they are running away when the cops are responding with tear gas shells or asking them to back off. Sahil Mengani joins us. Sahil, who are these people? Have they been identified? Are these students of the Jamia Millia, or are these residents of Silampur and Jamia Nagar?
Here's what my sources and the Delhi police are indicating to me. These videos exclusively accessed by CNN News 18, Anand, are part of the Delhi police's preliminary report, which is submitted to the senior officers, in which a set of 4 to 5 videos have been attached. Some of them have been made by mobile phones of those who were present in there, either in plain clothes or by passers-by, and also some sets of videos are from the nearby CCTV cameras. According to the cops, these are trained riders, Anand. There is no doubt about it. The way you see them taking out petrol from a motorbike which does not belong to them but to a random person in the national capital, taking out petrol from that bike, then taking that petrol to the nearby bus, then also lighting the bike up, dragging that bike all the way to the bus, all this while wearing gloves, making sure that the fire doesn't catch them. This is training. This is clear training, and it was pre-planned according to the Delhi police. Delhi police is attaching these videos to corroborate their claim. January 7th is when the courts open. There are a slew of petitions which are ready to question the Delhi police. Delhi police is ready with its answers through this report. This is Jamia's first day, first violence mystery getting resolved, Anand. 4 videos which are capturing riders setting buses on fire.
And who are the people who are pelting? Who are the people who are pelting stones? Are they students from the Jamia Millia University? Are they residents of Jamia Nagar?
It's still under the matter of probe whether these were outsiders. Who are they? Their faces have been identified. It's clear who these people are. And stone pelting, no matter what justification, is absolutely not justified. So their faces have been identified. Just a day before, we did break that news also about how government is planning to attach properties of these riders to pay for the vandalism that played out on the streets of Delhi. But
Right.
more importantly, Anand, in that bus footage that we see, those weren't the cops. The allegation initially was that the Delhi police cops set those buses on fire. They weren't the cops; they were trained writers. Footage captures petrol, writers, acts of fire, and also the precision with which it has been done, making Delhi police's case that it was a pre-planned
There is this video
very
where
strong.
there are youngsters, there are residents, certain seniors, largely youth, all of them chanting, sloganeering, pelting stones, and this is just around the bus that was set on fire. And then they are trying to run away, and then they are claiming, oh my God, that they are where the cops are behind us. Sahil, thank you for the update, and this is what the Delhi police claims happened. This is where the entire peaceful protest went awry. Many people have questioned the police's zabardasti, police's use of force inside the Jamia campus, and that is something the cops will have to explain why they went inside the campus. If they are able to prove that indeed these elements actually went inside the campus and they were the ones throwing pelting stones at the cops from inside the campus, then do they have a strong case to make, even as students continue to allege that they were unnecessarily harassed and roughed up. Around the NRC, we are also seeing a slew of protests. Pro-Citizenship Amendment Act, anti-NRC. Because everybody is looking at CAA plus NRC, whereas the government says we have only passed the CAA legislation. We have not even started the entire process of the NRC. That's what the Prime Minister said. So we are asking the question tonight, is this a national realignment on citizenship amidst political parties? That's what the development on NRC is. But going back to this footage, was this violence deliberately orchestrated and organized? Ved Bhushan with us, Ejaz Ahmed Radar with us, Sudesh Verma with us, Deshratan Nigam and Ravi Srivastava. Before we get to the larger question, Ved Bhushan ji, former ACP of the Delhi Police, there are more videos. This is the violence before the cops entered the campus. This does not answer what happened inside the campus, but this does show what prompted the cops to enter the campus. Ved Bhushan ji, who are these people?
Anand, you show more videos available with you. There are 4 videos sent viral on the media. आप उसमें एक वीडियो में देखेंगे कि स्टूडेंट्स पेल्टिंग स्टोन्स करने के बाद में यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर भाग रहे हैं. बार बार पुलिस के बारे में कहा जाता रहा कि पुलिस यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर जबरदस्ती घुसी. यस, बिल्कुल घुसी और दोबारा भी जरूरत पड़ेगी और फिर घुसेगी. अब आप देखिए, ये जो वीडियो सीसीटीवी कैमरास की जो वीडियो फुटेज है, वो दिल्ली जामिया यूनिवर्सिटी का प्रशासन व्हाई नॉट दे आर अवेलेबल. 3 बार उनको नोटिस दिए जा चुके हैं. डेस्पाइट इट 91 के नोटिस के रिप्लाई में सीसीटीवी के फुटेज नहीं दिए जा रहे हैं. मोर थिंग्स आर येट टू बी कम. अभी आप वीडियोस के अंदर देखना, उनमें स्टूडेंट्स या पेल्टर्स कह रहे हैं ये हमारे लाइब्रेरी है, इसको कम तोड़ो. अभी आप देखना, मोर थिंग्स आर येट टू बी कम. 51 स्टूडेंट्स को डिटेन किया गया था. पुलिस ने बीइंग ए स्टूडेंट उनको मेडिकल के बाद में चीफ प्रॉक्टर को अवेलेबल करा दिया गया. अब चीफ प्रॉक्टर इज नॉट cooperating with the local police for investigation. What does it mean? It means they are concealing something.
एजाज रादर
सबके सामने आएगा और बिल्कुल आएगा.
एजाज रादर जवाब दीजिए. एजाज रादर आंसर वेद भूषण
पुलिस वाले इंजर्ड हुए.
फॉर्मर जनरल सेक्रेटरी जेएनयूएसयू.
फ्रैक्चर इंजरीज आई.
लास्ट व्हेन वी
पुलिस की जिप्सी जला दी गई, 14 बसें जला दी गई. इसकी जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा? आनंद, क्या बताएं?
बिल्कुल, और ये पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी है.
नॉलेज ज्ञान कर प्राप्त करके डिबेट में आते हैं.
जी, ये पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी है. दिस इज टैक्स पेयर्स मनी. एजाज रादर, योर एंड माय टैक्स पेड मनी इज व्हाट वेंट इनटू दिस पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी दैट वाज वैंडलाइज्ड, बर्nt, destroyed. 14 buses, jeeps of the police, and of course public property including bikes. Now please answer that the cops have released these videos, and some of these videos show these elements, these very elements that set the bus on fire, bike on fire, entering the Jamia campus. Why is this footage not being given? Why those details have not been provided?
Anand, let me
Why
speak
they
to my
want
mind.
to hide?
I will reply to
क्या
your
छुपाना
queries and
चाहता है?
questions.
One minute.
यूनिवर्सिटी
वेद भूषण जी रुकिए. वेद भूषण जी रुकिए. वेद भूषण जी रुकिए. वेद भूषण जी. वेद भूषण जी, आपने अपनी बात की. Let him speak. Let him say his piece.
Yes.
We can disagree with him, but let him say his speech.
Okay.
See, See, Anand, see, one thing I want to say, you see, one thing is the question of from where does the police got the permission to enter in the premises of a university? And if you are talking about the videos, there are visuals which have come, in fact, in the NDTV show, in reality check, clearly shows that the corpus have also fired there. And then the police corpus went in the premises of a library. Visuals are available there.
Correct.
Police doing violence. There are
I
reports
agree.
available in Safdar
I agree.
Hospital. There are
One minute,
reports. There are reports available in
Okay, just
AIIMS
1 minute.
that
Just
the
1
police
minute.
has
Just 1 minute.
randomly
Just 1
beaten the
minute.
students.
Just 1
beaten the
minute.
students.
Just
And-
1 minute.
And see, Anand,
Ajaz, can you hear me? Ajaz, can we? Let's
One
not,
more point.
I don't want to fight with you.
Yes, yes.
I just want to reason with you. Please understand. What am I saying? Here I'm standing here and I'm taking the right stand. I'm saying that if the cops were unnecessarily rough with the students, then the cops have to be questioned. Why aren't you saying anything against these people who acted and posed as students, destroyed public property and ran into the campus? Why aren't you owning up to those people who actually threw stones and petrol bombs and tube lights at the cops from inside the campus? Were they right, Ajaz? Tell me, were they right?
See, Anand,
Were they
let
right?
me speak. See, any form of let me speak. Let me
Yeah.
speak. See, we always believe in the peaceful protesters, and the students were doing their peaceful protesters. And I will tell you, Anand,
Right.
these are some personal accounts. See, these are some personal accounts. I am a former student of Jamia,
Yeah.
and there were my friends who
Yeah.
have got beaten up. And they said to me, they said to me that we were reading in library, and even in the second floor of the library, police
Wow.
came and they chased us there, and directly
Okay.
they targeted
Now 1 minute.
the
Again,
students.
Ajaz.
And-
Ajaz, am I saying?
and
Am I
Anand,
saying?
Anand,
Am I
Anand,
saying? 1 minute.
Anand,
Ajaz, 1 minute.
One more minute. And they were saying that the police was using criminal slurs against us.
1
That is
minute.
most condemnable.
1 minute.
We
1 minute.
want
Again,
a action
Ajaz.
on the
Again,
police.
again,
We want a
Ajaz.
proper
Again,
inquiry on the
Ajaz.
police.
Again, Ajaz. 1 minute. See, I have a former ACP of Delhi Police who's coming out and saying, and I have seen the videos, sir. The videos show these people who burnt the bus, who were pelting stones outside, get into the college campus. Then there is a video which says कि ये हमारी library है, इसको कम तोड़ना. So did the students know who these elements are and did they safeguard them? Why has the university, if it is promising full
There are-
cooperation and wants
there are
added,
visuals.
why
There
are all the
visuals.
visuals not being given
There
over?
are visuals available in which
I am asking you,
Corpus was
Ajaz.
being violent.
I am asking
And
you,
see,
Ajaz. I am asking you,
Haan.
Ajaz. I have also studied in college campuses. I have also studied in a university. Why will a cop? Why will the police? They will. उनको बस ऐसे ही मूड करेगा भाई आज किसी स्टूडेंट को मार के आते हैं चलो एक कैंपस में घुसते हैं वहां तोड़फोड़ करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स
is
को
what-
मार के वापस आते हैं Come on, Ajaz, you have to own up to those who created a law and order situation.
That is what
Ved
we are
Bhushan.
saying.
Ved
That
Bhushan
is
ji.
what we are answering.
Ved
That is
Bhushan
what
ji.
we are questioning.
Ved Bhushan ji.
That is what we are.
Ved Bhushan
That
ji.
is what we are demanding. We want response from the Home
No,
Ministry
I want you to respond as
well
a
from the
former
police.
Jamia student.
As well as
Ajaz,
from the police. No,
as
how
a
come
former
we?
Jamia
How
student,
come we? How
as a
come we?
former Jamia
How
student,
come we?
you should be as a former Jamia student, former General Secretary of JNUSU, Ajaz, you should lead the students in identifying those who entered the campus and this entire and who burnt public property. That's your responsibility
It is
as
not-
a citizen.
It is not
to
our
help the
duty.
police.
It is not
to
our
help the
duty.
police.
It is not
to
our
help the
duty.
police.
Over,
To
over,
help the police. No,
over.
you can't
We
give them
have a
shelter
right.
and you can't
Students-
forget that. You
students
can't look at
have a
only one
right.
aspect, sir.
Students have
You
a
have
right
to
have a
look
peaceful
at both
protest.
aspects. You have to look at
And
both.
give a-
These
and-
are these protests peaceful? Are
and
these
give a
protests
kind of
peaceful?
democratic
Are
dissent
these protests
that we
peaceful,
are
sir?
giving.
Are
That-
these protests
that-
peaceful?
that-
The students were standing and the
Absolutely,
sloganeering that was going on.
absolutely, there is
There are
no
videos
doubt.
of that. They are so
Absolutely.
objectionable. I can't put it
Anand,
on air,
Anand,
Ajaz.
Anand,
So you can't
Anand,
justify that.
Anand,
Ved
Anand,
Bhushan respond.
Anand,
Ved
Anand,
Bhushan ji.
Anand,
Ved
Anand,
Bhushan.
Anand,
Yes, Ajaz. Yeah.
Let me speak. Let me speak. Anand, see, there
Yes,
is also
Anand,
one
yes.
note that I will
Anand,
show of the
police has
Jamia
taken
students,
full
in which the
stock
Jamia
of
students has
situation.
clearly said that our protest is
they have
peaceful
standing
protest.
No.
And-
It's not about the note. I am looking at the
and
visual
we have
evidence.
no connection
If
with the
these are
violence.
not Jamia
We have no
students,
connection
Ajaz,
with
my
the
point is
violence.
very
I will
simple.
show you that.
Ajaz, my
not
point is very
this
simple.
they were
My point is very simple, Ajaz. If these are
We
not
have-
Jamia
the police
students,
has
then the
sufficient
Jamia
evidence
students should
now
work with the
why-
Delhi police
why
to get them
Jamia
arrested.
University
To
hiding
identify them and get them
the
arrested.
footage available with them. What they want to hide.
No, police should apologize to those students who are being injured in Jamia. Na? The student who lost his eye, why the police is not
student lost life.
saying
Eye.
anything to him. What kind of response
No,
is
but
the police
then that
to
student, That student
Police
should,
be apologetic
that
towards
person
those
should
students
also own up,
who have
sir.
been injured.
That
One
person
student
should
has
also
died
own up.
in
One
the-
student has
Ejaz
died.
Radar,
Everyone
Ejaz
is
Radar,
for medical
Ejaz
aid.
Radar,
Open up.
And
Ejaz
what about
Radar,
the
that the
chief
police was
doctor?
saying.
Ejaz
In fact,
Radar,
during colonial
in
time,
the
during
same
colonial
way,
time,
Ejaz Radar, in the
during
same way,
colonial time,
that
British
person who
not
claimed to
done
be
such
injured by the
kind of
cops, but the
violence
video
in
showed
Aligarh
that the
and
petrol
in Jamia.
burst in
This
his
is a
hand should
statement
also
of a
own up.
former professor from
Ejaz,
Aligarh, Irfan
Ejaz,
Habib.
Ejaz,
Kindly
Ejaz,
read that.
don't
Kindly read
deviate,
the statement
don't
of
deviate,
Irfan Habib,
don't
in
deviate,
which
sir, I
Irfan
don't
Habib
care.
has said-
Sir,
in
it is
which-
not
in
about,
which Irfan Habib said that
Irfan
the
Habib can
British
say a lot of
have
things.
not
I am
done
going
such
by
kind
the
of a
visuals.
violence in
I
ANU.
am going
I
by
have
the
not seen
visuals.
such kind of a police
Ejaz,
brutality.
Ejaz,
I have not
Ejaz,
seen
I have
Irfan
not
Habib,
seen college students behave like this, sir.
Irfan Habib has
Ejaz,
said.
I have not
Irfan
seen
Habib said
college
that I have not
students
seen
hold a
such
petrol
kind of a
bomb
police
and
brutality
hurl
in
petrol bomb
Aligarh
from inside the
during the time of
campuses.
Britishers.
Why are they doing that, Ejaz? Criticize that. Why? Just like you are questioning,
Arey,
and I'll ask Ved Bhushan.
Anand,
Ved
yes,
Bhushan ji,
Anand,
Ved Bhushan ji,
see,
let Ved
Anand,
Bhushan ji
Anand,
come.
one point.
I'm just saying,
Anand,
I'm just
Anand,
saying, why aren't you owning up to that person who said कि पुलिस ने मेरे को किया, जबकि उसके हाथ में पेट्रोल बम फूट गया था. He was trying to hurl a petrol bomb, make a video of him hurling a petrol bomb,
Anand,
and then he
Anand,
claimed
Anand.
that he was hurt by cops. Why is that not being owned up? Who are
Anand,
these
see,
people who are throwing
see,
stones? Now, Ved
Anand,
Bhushan ji
Anand,
response, and then I'll
Anand,
move on in the
see,
debate.
Anand,
Ved Bhushan ji,
investigation go
Ved
on.
Bhushan ji.
Let the investigation go on. More revelations will come. Students will also come in the circle. You see, अभी तो investigation is
But
started
Ved
right
Bhushan ji,
now.
but Ved
Why
Bhushan
they are
ji,
hiding
Ved
CCTV
Bhushan ji,
footage of
Ved
that
Bhushan ji,
library, that
one minute.
university?
As I
Hand
open
over
up
to
the debate,
police
one
for-
minute. Ved Bhushan ji, Ved Bhushan ji, there is also, Ved Bhushan ji, this is Anand here, there are
Yes.
also videos of cops trying to beat down and break down motorcycles. What were they doing? Why were they doing that? तो मोटरसाइकिलें क्यों तोड़ रहे थे? There are videos of cops trying to beat up students who were just sitting there. Girl students also were roughed up. There are videos of cops who are trying to break down a canteen जो बंद पड़ा हुआ था. Why did they do all that? Who are these cops? Are they going to be named? Because they also damage public property. They also harass students. They also did what they should not suppose. They were not supposed to do.
Videos are still to come. आनंद 35 पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को इसमें इंजरी आई है. 4 पुलिस
सर,
ऑफिसर गॉट फ्रैक्चर्ड.
मैं मानता हूं
4
सर.
पुलिस ऑफिसर
सर,
फ्रैक्चर हैं.
एक
Joint
पुलिस ऑफिसर के साथ मैं
Commissioner
खड़ा
बार-बार
हूं.
announces
एक पुलिस ऑफिसर पुलिस ऑफिसर के साथ मैं खड़ा हूं सर. एक पुलिस ऑफिसर जिसको चोट लगी, जिसके साथ हिंसा हुई, जिसके साथ बदतमीजी हुई, सबके साथ मैं खड़ा हूं. लेकिन मैं उन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ भी खड़ा हूं जिनके साथ बदतमीजी हुई, जिनको मार पड़ी, जो कि वो कुछ जबकि उनकी कोई गलती नहीं थी, जिनकी बाइकें पुलिस ने तोड़ी. अगर पुलिस ने गलती की तो पुलिस को भी पकड़ना चाहिए, और जिन्होंने गलती की उनको पकड़िए सर. This is pre-planned. I'm just going to open this up. Sudesh Verma, as we see, Desh Ratan Nigam, Ravi Srivastava, as I open up the debate, even as these videos come out, Sudesh Verma, the BJP has organized protests in Bengal pro-CAA. The Congress party sat on a dharna today in Rajghat against CAA and NRC. The Prime Minister says NRC to abhi tak start bhi nahi hui, but the opposition says CAA to bahana hai, NRC hi lagana hai.
Anand, if somebody says that the crow is flying away with your ear, will you hold your ear or you will go after the crow? That is the situation in the case of NRC. We have yet to see a draft of NRC. Of course, that is our ideological stand. The parties stand for many, many years that the country should have, like many other countries, a register of citizens. That is an ideological issue that needs to be debated. And when it comes, people will get their chance to actually help make any draft much better. But NRC does not exist as of today. An NRC in Assam that has come as a result of Supreme Court order in accordance with the 1985 Assam Accord. We have nothing to do with that. We are just implementing because we are in the government there. And CAA is a reality. The parliament has debated and passed that act. And those people who came against the CA, now they realize, oh, we have done a wrong thing because CA, there is nothing.
No,
And they were
but it
just
is
thinking
the
that
it
this
is
was
the
you have
blame
shown,
Sudesh
you know,
Verma,
people,
the blame
celebrities
Sudesh
coming
Verma,
and
the
even
blame
seeing
Sudesh
things they are not aware
Verma,
of.
the blame Sudesh Verma is squarely on the BJP is what the opposition is saying कि आपके leaders, आपके मंत्री ही तो उल्टी बात कर रहे हैं. वो कह रहे हैं CAE लाए हैं, घुसपैठियों को भगाएंगे. अब ये लॉजिक क्या हुआ? रवि श्रीवास्तव, Rahul Gandhi today, Sonia Gandhi today, and Dr. Manmohan Singh reading parts of the Constitution, saying what this is what the Constitution stands for as they protested in Rajghat. So who's playing this politics?
Exactly, Rahul, Anand. Let us not talk about the intricacies of the particular CAA and NRC both, because enough has been debated on the subject.
Yeah.
What I am saying, there was a 2 lakh strong agitation against CAA today in Bangalore. There were 3 agitations today in the Cochin. Huge number of people have come forward for that. Now, issue here is
Against what
why
was the protest?
Prime
No,
Minister
1
is
minute.
lying.
What was the
If
protest against?
NRC is
One
not
minute.
to
What
take
was the
place,
protest against,
why
Ravi ji?
doesn't he say on
Ravi
his
ji,
speech
Ravi ji,
there be
what
no
was-
NRC in the
No,
country?
no, no, one
Why
minute.
doesn't he say that?
1 minute.
Because
1 minute.
back of the head,
One minute.
you are going to do it.
1 minute.
And
1
you
minute.
are going
Ravi
to
Srivastava.
make
Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava.
But still
Ravi
want to
Srivastava.
talk about it.
Ravi Srivastava. What was the protest in Bengaluru and Kerala about?
both against CAA and NRC, both.
Okay, now what do you mean?
Because people are
When there is no
educated on
NRC,
this subject.
the
This
has
is
the is
against
the NRC?
Constitution.
No,
This
what
is
is
illegal.
against
This is
Constitution?
criminal.
What is against
Why 3
Constitution?
countries only?
What is against
Why not 3
Constitution?
other countries?
What is against
जो
Constitution?
हिंदू आएंगे वो
What is-
शरणार्थी
what
हैं,
is ag-
जो मुसलमान आएंगे
What
वो
is against?
घुसपैठिए।
No, 1
ये
minute.
क्या definition
1 minute.
है?
No, एक मिनट. सबसे पहली बात. सबसे पहली बात. No, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. एक मिनट. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Sudesh Sharma, 1 minute. Ravi Srivastava, have you read the CAA, sir? Have you read the entire act?
Sir, I have read it.
Okay. Now, इसमें हिंदू
Yes, I
आए,
read it.
कहीं पे हिंदू आएंगे लिखा है.
Sir, that's the interpretation.
नहीं,
अभी
इसमें कहीं
आज
पे
नहीं
नहीं
लिखा है,
इसमें
आगे
कहीं
होने वाला तो यही
आगे
है
क्या
ना।
कहाँ होने वाला है
आपके
सर? एक्ट तो ऑलरेडी
है
पास
कि
हो गया. एक्ट
हम
कहाँ
आग
चेंज
लगाने
होगा?
वालों को प्रधान
अरे
मंत्री कह रहे
रुके
हैं,
रुके
आग लगाने वालों
कहीं
को हम
रुके
लोगों से पहचान
कहीं
देते
हिंदू
हैं।
कहीं रुके
अब
कहीं रुके
हमारे अमित
आपने
शाह
एक्ट
साहब
पढ़ा
कह
है?
रहे हैं
आपने एक्ट पढ़ा है?
कि मुसलमान
1 minute.
को
1
डरने की
minute.
जरूरत नहीं है।
1 minute.
Who is
Sir,
he
1 minute.
to terrorize the
1
Muslims?
minute. 1 minute.
population
You are
of
the one
25
terrorizing
crores.
Muslims. You are the one terrorizing people with wrong information, Ravi Srivastava. You said you have read the act. You said you have read the act, sir. You said you have read the act, Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava, you said you have read the act. You have read the act. You said you have read the act. मैंने आपसे सीधा सवाल पूछा, कहाँ लिखा है
Yes.
कि हिंदू के आने
बोलिए।
हिंदू को आने देंगे? कहाँ लिखा है हिंदू को आने देंगे? कहीं लिखा है हिंदू को आने देंगे?
अरे आपका ही एक्ट है ना कि
कहीं लिखा है,
द हिंदू
कहीं लिखा है,
द सिख द
कहीं लिखा है।
पर्शियंस द
Who
क्रिश्चियंस
are they?
ऑल
Who are they? Who
How
are
do
they?
you know they are persecuted?
Who are they? अरे
Who
who?
brought a certificate they are
अरे did I?
persecuted?
कहीं लिखा है हिंदू को
Is
आने
there
देंगे?
any request to the government
कहीं लिखा
that
है
they
उस
are
एक्ट में
persecuted
हिंदू को
there?
आने देंगे?
I have got a
It is
video
not written
where
anywhere, sir.
Hindus are saying in
Sir,
Pakistan,
you
they are
have,
very happy.
you have to take responsibility for what you are saying. You are on national television, sir. You are trying to present a point of view that is wrong. You are spreading information that is wrong.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Show you
No,
videos.
sir.
The Hindus are saying in
Sir,
Pakistan, they are very happy.
They are not, sir. The Hindus who are
How
staying
you
in
say they are
Pakistan,
persecuted?
sir. The
And
Hindu,
why the Ahmadiyas will be not brought here? Why Shias will
Ravi
be not brought
Srivastava,
here? Why
Ravi
are they,
Srivastava, Ravi Srivastava,
Why
sir,
Rohingyas
sir,
will
आप
not be
मेरे से
brought here?
सीनियर है, मेरे से सीनियर है, मैं आपको डिसरेस्पेक्ट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. Please, sir, that act says people who are already here in India after facing persecution
I know
on or before 31 December.
30,313 people
no,
who have come
sir,
6
the
years
date,
before,
the
they will be
date,
only
the
given
date.
that.
Ravi
But
Srivastava, the
I
date. Hear me out, sir. Don't make me shout. Date 31st December 2014. आज से 6 साल पहले जो यहाँ आ चुके हैं, कोई हिंदू आ नहीं रहा है,
मैं पढ़
कोई
लिया,
मुसलमान आ
सर।
नहीं रहा है.
मैंने पढ़ लिया
तो
उसको।
फिर झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
30,000
तो झूठ क्यों बोल रहे
13 लोग आए
हैं?
हैं।
31,313 लोग आए नहीं है सर, उनको लॉन्ग टर्म वीजास मिले हैं. जो लोग आ चुके हैं उनकी बात है, जो आएंगे उनकी बात नहीं है, जो पाकिस्तान में है उनकी बात नहीं है, जो हिंदुस्तान में है उनकी बात है. इतना देर आप समझ रहे हैं या समझ के भी अनजान बन रहे हैं? अगर आप समझ के अनजान बन रहे हैं तो यू आर बीइंग वेरी इररेस्पॉन्सिबल सर. आई एम सॉरी. नाउ सर, नाउ 1 मिनट. अरे छोड़िए रवि श्रीवास्तव, रवि श्रीवास्तव, इसके बाद क्या होगा? इसके बाद क्या होगा सर? आप डिबेट के बाद उठ के जाएंगे, आपको पता है क्या होगा? कमाल कर रहे हैं. जो हुआ नहीं उसकी बात कर रहे हैं, जो हो चुका है उसकी बात कीजिए.
एनआरसी में
अरे एनआरसी में तो तय होगा सर. प्रधानमंत्री ने खुद कहा है.
डिटेंशन सेंटर नहीं है इंडिया में. कितने डिटेंशन सेंटर इंडिया में है? मेरे पड़ोस में नेहरू में बन रहा है 4 किलोमीटर डिटेंशन सेंटर.
The Prime
कितने
Minister
लोग
said
कितने लोग आसाम के डिटेंशन
देश रत्न निगम, देश रत्न निगम, देश
आपको
रत्न
मालूम है
देश रत्न निगम, सर
है कि नहीं है?
अरे
बताइए
सर
आप।
कुछ भी, अरे आप कुछ भी हवाबाजी करेंगे। No, 1 minute. The biggest problem, sir.
Don't blame us for that.
1 minute, sir. The biggest problem, sir.
The biggest problem
Arey,
is
1
you
minute.
cannot
Ravi Srivastava, I'm
say
talking to
the
Desh Ratna
Prime Minister is a
Nigam.
liar.
I'm talking to Desh Ratna
biggest
Nigam.
problem
Will you
is
please calm
you
down?
cannot say
Will you please calm down,
Prime Minister is a
sir?
liar.
Ravi Srivastava, don't derail my debate. Don't derail my debate, sir. I don't want to shout anymore.
Court, why don't you wait for the verdict?
Please, I'm not talking to them. Now, Sudesh Verma, let me ask you. Let me ask Desh Ratna Nigam this. I am asking you, sir.
Let everybody
If the CAA is about giving citizenship, why are leaders coming out and saying CAA लेके आए घुसपैठियों को बाहर निकाल देंगे?
See, the fact
Why are they
is,
saying it?
See, the fact is, if you look the entire history of the opposition, they have always, thrived on creating the fear in the mind of minorities. Start from 1947 onwards, there are enough examples, and this is exactly what they are doing in this.
What is the BJP doing, sir, right now?
See-
Is the BJP assuring people or is it confusing people?
I think BJP has given FAQs, the Prime Minister has spoken on it, and people are slowly and slowly realizing it. That there is nothing wrong with CAA. It is not about taking your citizenship. It is about giving citizenship who have arrived 6 years back and a particular cut-off date has been given. Nothing less, nothing more. And so far
But
as these-
Mamata Banerjee is busy writing letters to everybody.
No, today-
Mamata Banerjee is written to
today-
all states saying
to-
that no, there should not be any CAA or NRC. Take back CAA is what they're trying to say.
Today, the Kolkata High Court has given a stay. All the advertisements, false and fake advertisements given by Mamata Banerjee has been stopped. She cannot give it because she was wasting public money, taxpayers' money in giving advertisements. And Kolkata High Court, clearly realizing this, that she was misusing her position as a CM, has stopped her from giving any advertisements. So let us be very clear. Courts have taken, cognizance of such matters, and they have, given up their mind also that you cannot be falsifying and giving fake advertisements in newspapers, in hoardings, wasting public money, exchequers money, and that is a very serious. So far as violence is concerned, CCTVs do not lie. Let us be very clear. They are coming, and the age group that is being shown in that visuals is clearly 18 to 25, appears to be, which is also the age group of the university
One minute.
students.
1 minute.
And
Now-
therefore, this
now-
requires deeper
1 minute.
investigation.
1 minute. Before we wind up, we will put out all the FAQs on CAA and NRC, and we will do it again. We'll keep doing it till the time people like Ravi Srivastava start asking the right questions and giving the right information. Pushing false information is the most dangerous thing, sir. Fear mongering is the most dangerous thing, sir. If somebody is spreading misinformation, question them, sir, but you don't join the gang, sir. You don't join the gang. You don't join. What did the Prime Minister say? The Prime Minister said the process of NRC has not yet begun. Sir, it is a stated
There is
objective
no
in the
detention
manifesto of this
center in
government that they
India.
will bring
Who said
NRC. But after discussions, after forming proper
Who
rules,
said it?
after consulting
Why?
everyone,
Why
that
Prime
is what.
Minister said it? There is no detention center in India.
Sir,
Why does he not say there will be no NRC?
Sir, there will be
Why
NRC.
should-
There is
why
no
should
NRC
NRC?
right
Why
now.
should?
Sir,
It is ideological
Sudesh Verma,
engagement of the
Sudesh
BJP
Verma, Sudesh
that
Verma.
there has to be a citizens register.
Every
I
country
need my
has it.
citizens
But
card.
what
You
citizen
may not
Every
have it, I
country
need it.
has it.
Available with me.
Every
I need
country
to
in the
know
world
that
has
is
it.
the
Even
citizen
Saudi
of what
Arabia
country?
has it. Iran has
What
it.
is the
You
problem?
want to harass the poor people. You want to harass Dalits.
Nobody will
Nobody is
harassed.
going to be
There's no
harassed.
fear.
Nobody
There's
is
no
going
fear.
to be harassed.
You want to
Unless
harass
you are
NRC
an
is a
infiltrator,
constitutional,
you
legal
don't
and
listen to
statutory
me.
obligation
Take a cue.
of government of
1 minute,
India.
Nobody is
1
going to be
minute,
harassed.
1 minute,
Who told
1
you
minute,
this?
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Ravi Srivastava, how do you know, sir, that the poor people in this country are only Dalits? How are you trying? Why are you bringing a casteist information towards?
I'm saying
No, no. Why did you say
Dalits?
Dalits? Why did you say Dalits right now? Why did you say Dalits right now? Who's playing casteist politics right now? Who's playing casteist politics? You say that the poor will be inconvenienced. We'll ask the BJP, sir. Why are you saying Dalits कोई तकलीफ होगी? Why are you bringing your brand of casteist politics? Why are you bringing casteism into it? आप पहले जाके बोला मुसलमान को खतरा है. आप बोलोगे दलित को खतरा है. ये क्या लॉजिक हुआ मुझे बताइए. ये क्या लॉजिक हुआ बताइए. ये क्या लॉजिक हुआ?
No, I don't.
क्या कर रहे हैं आप? What are you doing right now?
NRC
Sir, I
is
don't trust you with the facts, sir. Every time I've caught you trying to mislead the people. Why are you doing it, sir? You are a responsible
what
citizen of this
we are
country. Why are you doing
Because
it?
it is
not
filled
say
with
the government is
Sudesh
liar.
Verma. Sudesh Verma.
Prime
One
Minister
minute.
is
Ejaz
liar.
Radha.
Anti-Modi venom,
Ejaz
this is the
Radha.
problem.
Ejaz Radha.
We are trying to do something good for the country,
No, no.
to make the country
Ejaz
strong.
Radha. Ejaz
And these
Radha.
forces
Sudesh
are
Verma.
trying to weaken the country.
Ejaz Radha.
By
Sudesh
giving
Verma.
fallacious
Ejaz Radha.
arguments.
Ejaz Radha. Have you read the Citizenship Amendment Act? Where is the problem? When there is no NRC, why is this agitation and why this violence? Sudesh Sharma, Ejaz Radhan. Yeah. Sudesh Sharma, respond to Ejaz Radhan.
Give it one point I want to make, Anand.
Yeah.
One point I want to make. On 9 December, Amit Shah in the parliament clearly told it on the floor of the parliament that the exercise of NRC will be implemented across the country, and up till 2024, the NRC process will be complete, and those who are here, immigrants and all that, we will throw them out. Amit Shah says it clearly, but now seeing the protests all over the country from the nooks and corners.
We are not saying no to NRC, sorry.
Everywhere in
we
the
are
country.
not saying no to NRC, that is our
rattling.
ideological
And
position. That we must have a citizens register.
And
Tell me, are you ideologically opposed to having a citizens
Prime
register? Tell
Minister
me that.
Modi should first clarify
Do you
that
want a
whether
citizens
he is
register or
right
not?
or his home
Should you be
minister is wrong.
recognized as a citizen or
BJP should
not?
tell
One
it
minute,
clearly.
one minute,
Who is
one minute, one minute,
Who is
one
saying
minute.
the
Right,
truth in
Anand.
Now,
BJP?
if
Whether
right,
he
Anand,
wants
I am
to
to
be
understand
right
the
or
Prime
his
Minister.
Prime Minister
Country.
Narendra
If I
Modi
am-
who
Every
is right.
country
And
has to
second
understand.
time,
Why should
if
we
I am
know
to
that?
understand, I'm just
Anand,
walking
let
back.
me speak.
If
You
I
have to demolish this
no,
argument
if I
first.
am to
Before
no,
you
no,
go
one
to the
minute,
NRC.
one minute. No need to shout, sir. If you're going to shout, sir, people are not going to understand. If I am to understand the Prime Minister correctly, the Prime Minister has only said the process of NRC has not yet begun. It's not yet started. The Home Minister said that we will start it soon, and by 2024 we aim to complete it. Nobody has defined the process. Nobody has defined the process. They said the process will be identified, the rules, and the entire procedure will be done after consultation.
This is wrong information.
No, it is not wrong information. The Prime Minister said it has not yet started.
No,
That's what he has said.
This is wrong.
He did not say it won't be started. He said it has not yet started.
No.
And I'm just
Prime
going to say.
Minister yesterday
I'm
said
just
clearly in his speech.
No.
In Prime Minister yesterday
No,
said
no,
clearly
Prime
in his
Minister never
speech
said that it
that
won't come.
NRC will not
Prime
be
Minister
implemented.
never said it won't come.
I'm just going to wind up.
But
I'm just going to wind up with
started.
responsibility,
Home
sir.
Ministry is saying
I'm going to wind up with responsibility. I have to wind up, but I'm just going to quickly look at some of the questions that have been answered by the government itself, and they've come out and said that under NRC, let's not confuse issues, but between CAA and NRC questions. Under NRC, will citizens be deported on grounds of religion? NRC is about you being a citizen of this country. It is not about religion at all. So there will be no targeting of a particular religion or any religion in that. No one, next one, no one will be deported on the grounds of religious affiliations. Is an assurance that has already come from the government. Is the decision on citizenship now in government's hands? No. It is decided as per the Citizenship Rules 2009 based on the Citizenship Act 1955. Eligibility for citizenship? Well, citizenship by birth, inherited citizenship, citizenship by registration for foreigners, 12-year residency in India, formation of a new region. These are the eligibility criteria. Let's move on. Subheader 3. This is the one. Under 3, under NRC, will I have to give details of my parents' birth to prove citizenship? Government has information on birth. You just need to give your place and time, date of birth, place and date of birth. Any proof, any document that shows your place and date of birth. That's all they need. And in some cases, the individual may need to provide details on parents, but nowhere is it compulsory that you have to give your parents details. It's not. Then a plethora of options are there. This is yet to be decided, but all these documents are likely to be integrated. Nobody is saying that birth certificate nahi hoga, school leaving certificate nahi hoga. Any one document which shows your date and place of birth. That's all. What about illiterates? What if I don't have any of these documents? Option is provided for them too. It will be discussed and the process will be laid कि inconvenience ना हो. पड़ोसी को लेके आ सकते हैं. Social certificate as proof दे सकते हैं. Local area court DM से आप ये बना के ला सकते हैं affidavit. Systems to be laid out as far as any more clearances are required. No Indian citizen will be harassed is the assurance from the government. Under NRC, will I have to prove my pre-1971 lineage, show any one of your parents' I-card, no other proof required. This is only in the case of Assam NRC that required the parents' I-card. Nationwide NRC will not require it. What about transgenders, atheists, tribals, Dalits, women, etc.? None of them will be hurt or affected by the NRC, especially the Adivasis. We've run out of time this evening on the right stand. Is it a national realignment of politics around citizenship? That's the big question, and that's what it seems like going forward around the issue of citizenship, around the issue of the National Register of Citizens. As we wind up, follow CNN News 18 on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube, and remember to also follow road signs and traffic laws for road safety. Join Network 18 and Hyundai's initiative towards ensuring road safety in India. Be the better guy. Bye for now. Stay with us. Brass Tags with Maha Siddiqui up next.